So, good morning everyone. My name is Ivann Iballa. So, I am the first reporter of Group 9. So, our topic is about Chapter 10, Statistics and Computer, Tools for Analyzing of Assessment Data. So, my assigned topic is about statistics. So, statistics is the process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data. So, in education, statistics is very important because it helps teachers understand students' test score and learning performance. For example, teachers use statistics to analyze test results, understand research data, and interpret different types of scores used in assessment. So, there are two main types of statistics. So, first is descriptive statistics. So, descriptive statistics is used to describe or summarize the data that has already been collected. It helps us organize information and make the data easier to understand. So for example, a teacher may calculate the average score of the class in a test. So this helps summarize the students' performance. So there are two important term in descriptive statistic. First is statistic and second is parameter. So statistic, a value calculated from a sample or a small group. And second is the parameter. A parameter is a value calculated from the entire population or the whole group. Understand? So the second main type of statistic is inferential statistic. So inferential statistic is used when we want to make predictions or generalizations about a population based on the data from a sample. So for example, a researcher may study a test score of some student and then use the result to predict the performance of a larger group of student. So magamit anis dyan ng small sample to predict a larger group of student. So there are two types of tests used in inferential statistic. So first is parametric test and then the second is non-parametric test. So when we say parametric test, so it is used when the data are numerical and measured with exact values. When we say non-parametric test, it is used when the data are not exact numbers or when the data are in the form of categories or rankings. So understand. And the last one is statistical tools. So statistical tools are methods used to analyze and compare sets of data students test scores. So the two most common statistical tools are measure of central tendency and measure of variability. So that is the two most common statistical tools